Hey everyone, in this guide, we're going over the best deck for Arena 10 here in Clash Royale. Let's get started. So for the Arena 10, the deck you're going to use is the Golem Prince Beatdown deck. It's a heavy 4.1 elixir build that can completely overwhelm opponents when played right. Your win condition is the Golem. Don't just drop him randomly. Only place him when you have an elixir advantage or when it's double elixir. Behind him, stack supports like Troop, like Baby Dragon for splash damage and Mega Minion for reliable single target defense. The Prince is your damage booster. His charge shot punishes overcommits and adds a massive pressure behind your golem, shredding tanks and forcing big responses. On defense, you'll rely on guards to stop the mini P.E.K.K.A, princess, and other heavy hitters. Meanwhile, the baby dragon plus the mega minion makes a clean defensive combo that handles most pushes. So your spell trio is perfect for an Arena 10 are Lightning, Barbarian Barrel, and Giant Snowball. This deck has incredible synergy. Golem tanks that supports stack behind Prince or Baby Dragon finishes off everything. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.